As you move forward with your process, remember to document everything within the entire process, step by step. This isn't the Army or anything, but, well, yeah, it's kind of like the Army. But don't worry, in the end, this is the stuff that gets the bad guys. A complete list of documentation will include several key forms. A chain of custody form creates an audit trail to document the integrity of the evidence. The chain of custody form will also be used to document events starting from the beginning the evidence is collected. It will be used throughout the entire life cycle of the evidence and will include a record of each person who had direct contact with any collected evidence. An incident response plan document draws up an incident response plan to balance the competing objectives and restore systems as soon as possible. This plan will be used to prevent such an incident from happening again, while at the same time recording proof of the incident for prosecution. An incident form is required to record the facts. You will want to include the following: assign a case number, record the time, date, and location of discovery of the incident, record the names and contact details of those reporting and handling the incident, describe how the incident was detected, classify the incident, indicate the level of criticality, provide details of what has been affected by the incident, describe the incident, maintain a log of incident response actions taken and individuals involved. After the incident has been resolved, the incident response manager may recommend actions and behavior to prevent such an event from happening again. A call list or escalation list is needed for those incidents affecting internal communications. All communications should be absolutely secure as to not alert attackers. A printed call list with the names and contact information of people to contact during an incident response process, including order of escalation, must be part of your incident response kit.